Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Trello boards from audit log after accidental deletions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Trello boards from the audit log after accidental deletions, first, log into your Trello account. Navigate to the dashboard or home screen. In the top left corner, select the team that previously owned the deleted board. Once in the team view, click on the Show menu option on the right side. In the menu, scroll down and select More. Look for Audit Log and click on it. You may need to adjust the date range to find the instance of the deletion. Once you locate the entry that indicates a board was deleted, click on it to see more details. You should see an option or button that reads Restore next to the deleted board. Click on the Restore button to begin the restoration process. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm your decision to restore the board. After confirmation, return to your team's boards list to view the restored board. Click on the board to make sure everything is back in order. If any tasks or lists seem missing, you can double-check individual cards for their contents. Once confirmed, you can inform team members about the board being restored. Remember to periodically check the audit log to monitor any future changes or deletions. This will help prevent accidental loss of important boards in the future. That's how you restore a Trello board from the audit log after an accidental deletion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.